Have you been wondering how the design process works at Kitchen Shack? Well, you are in luck because today I am embarking on a new renovation for my kitchen and laundry in my Melbourne home. I've got my measurements. I can't wait to get started. The designer really digs into the details. We talk about everything from daily routines to cooking habits to storage needs to my budget. And all these questions, these specific questions, they really allow us to find a solution that's going to be a perfect match for my family. And this one-on-one personalization makes me feel really confident that we are on the same page and heading in the right direction. It makes sense to have your consult in the showroom so that you can touch and feel all the finishes. And if you're a tactile person like me, this is key. I loved exploring all the different door styles and the handles and the bench tops and making choices that would suit my style. And the designer has been amazing at breaking down the pros and cons and the pricing of each. Once my choices are made, the finishes are uploaded in the 3D design software and voila! I am watching my dream kitchen come to life. It is amazing to see how the kitchen will look and feel from every angle. And it really helps to make any last adjustments before we finalize the design. I really am loving it from every angle. The final quote is presented, so I know exactly what's included. And the designer suggests recommended installers who are able to assist with trades and make project managing that much easier and so much less stressful. I'm also going to be taking the option of having this installer double check my measurements, not only because it's going to bring me peace of mind, but also because it's free once I've purchased. Overall, my experience at the Kitchen Shack design appointment has been nothing short of amazing, and it's nice to know that it's all made here in Melbourne. The designer's attention to detail and their great customer service is really evident, and I'm feeling really comforted that I get to work with this same designer the whole way through my renovation. I'm leaving with a little bit of a spring in my step, and I cannot wait to get started on my dream kitchen and laundry. And if you're thinking about renovating, then I highly recommend that you go in for Kitchen Shack's design appointment. It's a truly inspiring experience.